Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to sort Excel data in ascending or descending order. So guys, you have data to sort in your Excel worksheet. Now hover cursor to sort. You can select sort smallest to largest. Sort largest to smallest. Also guys, you will see this option in sort and filter in ribbon. Click on it and same. You can select sort smallest to largest or largest to smallest. In custom sort, choose more options such as sorting by multiple columns or rows and case sensitive sort. Case sensitive sorts. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.